Hey Minecraft builders, are you tired of boring old redstone contraptions? Join me as I try to discover and showcase some mind-blowing Minecraft secret lever tricks that you won't believe actually exist. Secret levers are like hidden gems in Minecraft. They're not just about turning on a light or opening a door. They're about creating those wow moments, those unexpected twists that make your builds truly unique. Imagine a lever hidden behind a bookshelf that activates a secret passageway, or a lever disguised as a flower that triggers a trap. That's the magic of secret levers. But here's the catch. Finding and using secret levers effectively can be tricky. Many players think they're just for simple redstone contraptions, but there's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. The challenge lies in thinking outside the box, finding creative ways to integrate these levers into your builds, and, most importantly, keeping them a secret. Let's dive into some of these mind-blowing tricks. First up, we've got the disguised lever. Imagine a lever cleverly hidden within a block, disguised as a regular part of your build. This could be a lever disguised as a piece of furniture, a book, or even a flower pot. It's all about making it blend seamlessly with your environment, making it a true secret. So, there's this cool hidden trigger thing. You know, it's this interesting lever that works a bit differently from the rest. Instead of just being pushed, it gets turned on by a special event or action. Like, you could make a lever that works only if a player puts their foot on a special pad or something. Or even if they grab a certain item and put it in a certain chest. The way we're doing it adds another layer of realism and spices things up a bit, with the mystery of what could happen next in your designs, making things more interesting and unpredictable. So, we have this cool thing called chain reaction. It's all about linking a bunch of levers together and setting up a sequence of actions. You get this metaphorical lever that turns on a hidden door, which then sends a trap off to find a secret passage. The possibilities are seriously endless. But wait, there's one more trick that's going to blow your mind. This one involves a hidden lever that activates a secret room, but not just any room. It's a room filled with treasure, but to get to the treasure, you have to solve a puzzle. This lever isn't just about activating something. It's about creating an experience, a challenge that players have to overcome to unlock the reward. Check out these cool, hidden lever tips that'll totally up your Minecraft game. Just remember, the sky's the limit. Don't be shy to think outside the box, have fun, and create your own awesome secret lever gadgets. What are your preferred mysterious lever tricks? Feel free to share them in the provided comments below. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe for an even wider variety of incredible Minecraft content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.